everyone, I just wanted to pop in to do a mini haul with some things that I got from random stores, online and in store. So if you would like to see what I got, stay tuned. Okay guys, let's get started with the mini haul. So let's see. I got this from a festival I went to over the weekend. Sunglasses. I think these were $9.99. Hey, hey, cute, cute, cute. Yeah, I think they were $9.99. I got these earrings here. I think they're really cute. Can you see them? I think they're really cute. I like those. I think these were maybe $9.99. Not sure. Then Bath and Body Works. Just picked up marshmallow fireside candle. And then just some wallflowers. So this one is mango dragon fruit, watermelon lemonade, pink prosecco, and another pink prosecco. And then I have, I ordered some shoes. I went to JCPenney website and I saw these shoes. I have a wedding to go to and I saw these shoes and I ordered them, but now that I got them in person, I don't really like them. And I tried them on and they are very uncomfortable, and yeah, so these will be going back. I think I'll try DSW to see what they have. Alright, let's see. And also from JCPenney, these are just leggings that I got. Just a black pair of leggings. From Sephora. So I just ordered some lipsticks. So here we have the Stila, and this is Rico. I love this shade. Love, love, love shade. Love this shade. This is the second or third time that I ordered this one. I got this one from Marshall's. This is Sugar Plum Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is nice. I ordered the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, the brown color, and I like it. So I'm gonna keep this one. Yeah, so I got that. And then also from Stila, I got the Palmero. And I'm not a fan of this one, so I'm gonna take this back to Sephora. It just, when I put it on, it doesn't fit my skin tone. And also this one by Rihanna, the red, it's just too bright for my skin tone. So yeah, this one is going back. And then what else do we have? Oh, and then I thought this was so cute for fall, to add to what I have on my front porch already for fall decor. I thought this was so cute with the elf. And then because we're coming into the holiday season, Thanksgiving, Christmas, and I love to bake and cook, so I got this, which is the Nordic Ware bunt pan, the anniversary bunt pan. And I can't wait to try this out. So I got that. And then, oh, I just got some little measuring cups to put sugar and flour in when I'm baking. So I think I got 3 or 4 of that size. And then I got a few of this size for like a tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of flour, something like that. So that's it for Good Bath Beyond. Oh, and I did get a dress from Marshalls. Hold on. So I got this dress from Marshalls. It's $16.99. I'm gonna wear this to the wedding that I'm going to this weekend. Hopefully I can get a nice picture to insert in this video. But yeah, it was $16.99. I think it's really cute. It's just a straight little blue dress, but it's really comfortable. So yeah, so hopefully I can get a picture in. And I think that is it, guys. Okay guys, I think that's it for the haul. But if you have any questions for me, just leave them in the comments. And please like this video, share this video, and if you'd like to see more of Being GTV, subscribe. Thanks guys.